I forgot another rule here. We have another rule. The rule, wait. The rule is when the question ax plus b, a and b is the constant. හරිනේ number එක වෙන්න ඕනේ. To the power n dx කියලා කිව්වොත් we need to identify the integration, right? There's a specific rule. Ax plus b, it will apply the chain rule like n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into 1 over a plus c. This is the specific rule. For an example, when we are given a question like this, 2x minus 3 to the power 2 dx කියලා කියමුකෝ. හරි. Then just a simple thing. This is the a, this is b, right? එතකොට a වෙන්නේ 2x minus 3 like a chain rule n plus 1 2 plus 1 කියන්නේ 3 නේ. එතකොට divided by n plus 1 2 plus 1 3 into 1 over a, then a should be 2 නේ. 1 over 2 plus c, and you can rewrite this as a 2x minus 3 to the power 3 3 into 2 6 plus c. You can rewrite this as well. Done. I'll explain it again. There's a specific rule applied here. The rule is oh, the rule is ax plus b to the power n dx කියලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? There's a specific rule, right? There's a specific rule like a chain rule. Ax plus b n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 multiplied by 1 over a plus c. Don't forget to put the c. We need to identify the constant also. හරි. එතකොට consider an example this 3x. This is all the lecturer notes, not my. 3x plus 4 to the power 6 dx කියමුකෝ. Then the rule should be applied here. 3x plus 4 6 plus 1 n කියන්නේ 6 නේ. n plus 6 plus 1 7 divided by 7 into 1 over a. A represented by 3. And 3x plus 4 to the power 7 over 21 plus c. Done. Done. Right. It. Change the space. Done. Right. Now consider an example this. Suppose we have given the question like this. This is also lecturer 1 from the lecture material. 2x plus 1 to the power 1 over 3 dx. Easy. Yes. Easy. The formula rule should be applied here. 2x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 n plus 1. This is n plus 1. 1 means we can write 1 as a 3 by 3. Then 1 3 plus 3 3 divided by n plus 1 1 3 plus 3 3 into 1 over a. The a should be 2, right? A should be constant. A should be 2 plus c. Hurry. Done. The rule should be applied here. Just it. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into half plus c. Now we can rewrite this. Now we can rewrite this or set the order 4 to the power 4 by 3 4 3. It's like this. 2x 4 by 3 reciprocal වුණොත් 4 by 3, 3, 4 නේ. හරිනේ. And I write here. I write that here. That's it. Then 2 plus c. And you can simplify even more. 2x plus 1, 4, 3 multiplied by 3, 4 to 2, 8 plus c. I only applied it here. I didn't special.